wonderful it would be to live on the magical island of Sodor, helping Thomas the Tank Engine and his friends all day long. It would be like a dream come true. If only I could be an engine too. Oh yes, it's great to be an engine as you're steaming along. Hop, hop, hopping along. Beep, beep, beeping along. Fly along the rails as your wheels go round. Whiz, whiz, whizzing around all day. Oh yes, it's great to be an engine and go steaming along. Hop, hop, hopping along. Beep, beep, beeping along. All the people waving as you speed along. Hop, hop, hopping along. Beep, beep, beeping and hop, hop, hopping and steam around all day.
Alright, bitches, what's going on? It's me, Scarloey. Wake up, motherfuckers. Time to go to work. Hello, Scarloey. Fuck you, Peter Sam. Go kill yourself. Oh, okay.